Are you ready to play beginning sound and letter match? What we're going to do is name the picture, then stretch out the word, listening for the beginning sound. Then we're going to name the letter that makes that sound. For example, say cow. Now stretch it out. K, k, cow. What sound do you hear at the beginning? K. What letter makes that sound? Did you say the letter C? Good job. The letter C makes the K sound. Now let's write the letter C in the air. Get your magic finger. Start at the top. Curve around like a C. That's the capital C. Now let's do the lowercase c. Start at the middle line. Curve around like a C. Nice work matching the beginning sound with the letter. Let's continue to play. Igloo. Say it with me. Igloo. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word igloo? We hear the I sound in the beginning of the word igloo. What letter makes that sound? Did you say the letter I? You're right. The letter I makes the I sound in the beginning of the word igloo. Let's use our magic finger and trace the letter I in the air. We'll start with the capital I. Start at the top, down, across the top, across the bottom. That's the capital I. Now the lowercase I. Start at the middle line, down, dot. That's the lowercase I. And what sound does the I make in the beginning of the word igloo? The letter I makes the I sound in the beginning of the word igloo. Say the word yak. Stretch it out. Yak. Say it with me. Yak. What sound do you hear at the beginning of yak? Do you hear the y sound? That's right. And what letter makes the y sound? Did you say the letter Y? You got it. The letter Y makes the y sound. Now let's use our magic finger to trace the letter Y. We'll start with the capital Y. Start at the top line, down, down, and down. That's the capital Y. Now the lowercase y. Start at the middle line. Down and down. That's the lowercase y. What sound does the letter Y make? The letter Y makes the y sound, like in the beginning of the word yak. Say alligator. Stretch it out. Alligator. Say it with me. Alligator. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word alligator? Did you say ah? That's right. Alligator begins with the ah sound. What letter makes that sound? Did you say the letter A? You're right. The letter A makes the ah sound in the beginning of alligator. Now let's use our magic finger to trace the letter A. We'll start with the capital A. Start at the top, slant down, back up, slant down, across. That's the capital A. Now the lowercase a. Start at the middle line, around like a C, up, down. That's the lowercase a. What sound does the letter A make at the beginning of the word alligator? The letter A makes the ah sound in the beginning of the word alligator. Say zebra. Stretch it out. Z, z, zebra. Say it with me. Z, z, zebra. Zebra begins with a z sound. What letter makes that sound? Did you say the letter Z? You got it. The letter Z makes the Z sound. Now let's trace the letter Z with our magic finger. Here we go. Start at the top. We're going to trace the capital Z first. Across the top, slant down, across the bottom. That's the capital Z. Now let's trace the lowercase z. Start at the middle line. Across, down, across. That's the lowercase z. And what sound does the letter Z make? The letter Z makes the Z sound, like in zebra. Say the word fox. Now this time, we're going to listen to the ending sound of the word fox. Ready? We're going to listen to the last sound of the word fox. Here we go. Fox. Say it with me. Fox. What letter makes the sound at the end of the word fox? Did you say the letter X? You're right. The letter X makes the sound, like at the end of the word fox. Now let's trace the letter X in the air with our magic finger. We'll start with the capital X. Starting at the top line, down, cross. That's the capital X. Now the lowercase x starts at the middle line, down, cross. The lowercase x. And what sound does the letter X make at the end of the word fox? Fox. That's right. The letter X makes the sound at the end of the word fox. Give yourself a round of applause.